Today, we're making peanut butter pinwheels. This special treat is soft and creamy, just like candy. It's like a Cinnabon, but peanut butter, and even sweeter. If you've never had these before, it's worth giving it a try. These are great treats for Christmas time and sharing with friends and family. There's lots to go around, and each slice goes a long way. So, let's get cooking. Start with 1 tablespoon of butter, a third cup of evaporated milk, and melt in the microwave for 30 seconds. Whisk together. In a big bowl, add 2.5 cups of powdered sugar, then gradually add the evaporated milk and butter mixture to the powdered sugar. You likely will not use all of this milk. You want to add just enough so that you end up with a dough-like consistency. If you add too much of the liquid, it'll become runny. If this happens, just add a little bit more powdered sugar until you get a dough-like consistency. Continue to mix and fold. We're basically creating a sugary dough. Once it's like a dough, we'll refrigerate for 60 minutes to firm up. After 60 minutes, we can roll and flatten this out into about 1/4 inch thick sheet. Take your favorite peanut butter and thinly spread this onto the sheet. Then take one edge and carefully roll it all together into a log. And boom, we have peanut butter pinwheels. Use a knife to cut this into serving slices and enjoy. This is delicious and simple. It's really like candy and makes for a tasty treat during family gatherings. If you're looking for sweet treats to make this year, then this recipe's for you. Be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.